love it when you guys do this and you all sound so severe. I wish I could be that severe. How are we feeling? Have you had a good time so far? Fantastic. Well, I got some wonderful people coming up for you guys. Mr. Niall Horan's here, my brother. Yeah, we went out today in the hotel room, had a bit of Rory McIlroy golf, cool story, I've got time to tell it again. No one else better sing the song. This is Get Low.
Sexy emotion, bet I can take you there. You're spoon in your head. Do you wanna feel? Let's just enjoy the thrill. I'll take over the world. I give you the touch of me, saying get up, get up. Hands on your knees, let go. Get up, get up. Girl, you got the right on my foot. Get up, get up. Hands on your waist, let's go. Get up. Take this with the sound of love.